Martin Luther King March in San Antonio is traditionally one of the largest in the nation, with hundreds of thousands of people participating. Reverend R.A. Cowley started the march in 1968 to call attention to the needs of the East Side. But for the second year in a row, many of the city's Martin Luther King Day celebrations, including that march, went virtual today. But in person, city leaders stressed the importance of serving one's community by helping end the COVID-19 pandemic. Eyewitness News reporter Troy Kless joins us live on the East Side, where the mayor and health officials spoke this morning. What was their message, Troy?
Well, Nicole, today city leaders touched on various issues that still impact people of color here today on the East Side. And many people here from Martin Luther King Jr. today that spoke this morning talked about the importance of maintaining the goal of achieving equality for black men and women. Now, on one of those fronts was voting issues that was discussed by some of the speakers that gave remarks today. And also they addressed, addressing health issues, including COVID-19 here in this community. And that's why a lot of people showed up here, lined up to get either a COVID-19 vaccine or they showed up to get tested for COVID-19 at a pop-up clinic and testing site held here today. We saw dozens of people in line to get vaccinated, and appointments for tests were completely booked up, according to Mayor Ron Nirenberg, who spoke earlier today. Now, I did speak with a member of the Omega Psi Phi fraternity. It's a historically African-American fraternity, and they spoke about the importance of addressing key issues that have come to the forefront since this pandemic has begun.
And voting according to the 15th Amendment is something that's guaranteed to American citizens. One man, one vote is written into the Constitution. Secondly, health issues, disparity in community health issues. That's why we are sponsors of the blood drive here.
And city leaders also touched on the blood shortage here in San Antonio, and that's why a blood bank was set up here today. And while that is at a critical level, the COVID-19 threat level here in San Antonio remains severe, according to the director of Metro Health speaking here today. And they wanted to remind people, though, that despite the pandemic, that MLK Day is a day on, not a day off, and that they encourage others to serve their community in any way that they can. We're live on the East Side. Troy Kless, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.